Hi, this is a video on how to create a free virtual machine inside of your Windows PC. So we are going to be doing it with Ubuntu 10.04. You can run others like Windows XP, Windows Vista, but today we're going to do Ubuntu. So what you'll need first is a virtual machine software. So we're going to use VirtualBox, which is totally free to download. So go to www.virtualbox.org to download it. Click whatever one for Windows hosts, so you just download it. You can use other ones like VMware Player, but VirtualBox I found the best free one. There will be a review on that shortly. So you go to the releases.ubuntu.com for Ubuntu 10.4 Lucid links. So we're going to download that. So you go down, server install, alternate. So you click and download that. So once you've got both of them downloaded, you run and install VirtualBox and then open it from your desktop or your start menu. So we open up VirtualBox, and what a virtual machine is, it's like an emulator, and you emulate another computer inside of your computer. So it doesn't matter what operating system you've got, you can have XP, 7 or Vista and it will still work. So opening up VirtualBox now. So here we go. We've opened it up. I've created a virtual machine. So what you need to go to is click New. Next. And we're going to name it Ubuntu 10.04 Test. So we select Linux and Ubuntu. Click Next. So as you can see, that's the halfway. I wouldn't give it any more than half of your virtual memory. So I'm going to give it 386. Create new hard disk. Next. Dynamically expanding storage. So it'll expand as you get more files. That's the best option. So I'm going to take that. So make it at least 8 GB or more. So here we go. Finish. And finish. As you can see, it's not worked on my computer because I've got some problems, but it should work fine. So once you've got your virtual machine created, what we need to do is click Start. And what I'm going to do is mount the virtual disk. So you can put a disk in your computer, but I'm going to use the ISO. So I've already got it here, but you just go into Add and select where the ISO is. So Ubuntu 10.04 ISO, select, and then we're going to restart the machine. So insert Control Delete, and then it should boot the live CD. So as you can see, we've got a purple screen, which is the Ubuntu 10.04 boot screen. So once it's loaded, I'll return and we'll continue from there. Hi, I'm back. As you can see, it's loaded up and it's booted into Ubuntu. So what you can do is it says welcome. I hope the screen records out. So as you can see, we've got the welcome screen. You select your language. So we are now going to click. You can try Ubuntu. I've got another video on how to do that, so check that out without installing or affecting your computer at all. So if we click install Ubuntu, as you can see, it loads. Setting up the disk. Select time and where we are. So I'm going to click forward. I apologise for the screen recorder again. So where are you? United Kingdom. And the time zone, 22:13, which is the time. So keyboard layout, that's fine for me. United Kingdom, you can choose your own. Type in to test it. It's down here, which you can't see. So down in the bottom right corner in VirtualBox, the CD drive's flashing away, and so is the hard drive. So I'm not going to be doing the full installation of Ubuntu today, but you'll go through the setup steps, pretty bog standard of installing Ubuntu. Check out my other video on how to install it on the standard computer. So disk space, install side by side. That's to dual boot because I already have something installed. So I'm not going to install that, I'm going to quit, but you just click forward and it'll continue, and you'll click install after making some customizations, and that's about it. So then it'll finish and it'll boot up. So I'll show you it booting up into the virtual machine in just a minute. So what we want to do now is reboot our virtual machine after unmounting the virtual disk. So insert Control Alt Delete, and it should reboot like a normal computer. As you can see, there's the host controls. So it's obviously not rebooting, so if we click reset, and it's resetting. Hopefully. Sorry about that. So as you can see, it's rebooting. It is now booting into Ubuntu. The graphical interface isn't great because I haven't applied enough virtual RAM, to this virtual machine. So thanks for watching. This is how to create and boot into a virtual machine using VirtualBox, which is completely free. So as always, contact me at roundedtech@googlemail.com for any further questions about this or any other of my other videos. So thanks for watching, and that's about it.